Now I explain you how to make an equilateral triangle by paper folding by taking a legal paper. I have taken a white paper, legal white paper, and I fold like this. See, I fold like this. I have taken this white paper, I have folded like this. Now I kept like this. See, now I fold the paper in such a way that this point coincides with this one. See, earlier I folded this one. Now, so I have folded exactly in such a way that this point coincides with the folding. Now, I fold this one. See, I have folded this one. I would like to explain the concept. First, I have folded this one. So, for convenience, I will mark the line, middle line. Now, another folding. So, I will also mark this one. This is. Now, I have folded along this side. See, for our convenience, I will show you by this. Now, I will cut the edges, this one and this one, with the help of a scissor. This is the required equilateral triangle. See, we can check up whether other two sides are equal. See, by folding like this one, I have verified that these two sides are equal, and by folding in other way, I can verify that these two sides are equal. So I have formed an equilateral triangle. So this is how an equilateral triangle can be formed with the help of paper folding.